Hello everyone. Today in this video I am going to give you guys a huge collection of these styles, Photoshop styles and some of the Illustrator styles. This is called graphic styles. You can use them like you can see this is a text. Of course this is editable text. I can edit that text. Then how easily I can apply this texture, this effect in my style, in my text. So that is called graphic style or text style. So you can just download these packs from anywhere else, but I'm going to give you guys this whole bundle. I have 1000 plus Photoshop style bundle, and then also I'm going to give you guys some Illustrator graphic styles too. I didn't have the Illustrator bundle, but I get them from brother Zakaria. He gave me this Illustrator bundle. So let me show you guys how to use these graphic styles, how to create them. You can find tons of videos on YouTube how to create graphic styles, but it is hard to find them all together. So I'm going to give you all of them. Now for using graphic styles, first of all you need to go to this window and then check this graphic style option here. It will open up a window like this graphic style. You can see if I select this one, then click here, it will look like this, like the my text is filling with this graphic style. So we can create some styles like this, and we can use some pre-made styles. So I am going to give you this vector bundle. This bundle I get from Zakaria. So I am going to give you this bundle. Now how to use them, let me show you. If you just click here on this effect option, you will find lots of graphic styles like this. These are some of them are pre-made styles of Illustrator, and some of them are the bundle I am going to give you. So the first option you should do is go to this other library, and then inside this folder you can see all of the styles you have in your computer. You can see them here. So first of all is select them all, copy them, then paste it here. Okay, I have already pasted that in my this folder, so that's why it is showing me like this. But you can just simply do this, and once you copied them in your this folder, you will get them, you will get all of them like this. You can see these are the bundles. So let me show you how to use them. This is a bundle called retro. I really like this one, so I think this one is going to be useful for you guys. So if I select anything like this, I can simply click on that, and this style will be applied to that text. You see, this is really cool, and this is really very easy and time saving. So you can use any of them just like this. It will be a really cool design in just a one single mouse click. You can see, if we try to make this effect, it will take lots of time for us, but we can simply, okay, let me simply take a background for us. Control X, Control B to paste in back. Now it is easy to see. You can see this is how it is going to look. This is really cool. And for other effect, here you have to go to any effect you want, like any option you want to use. Okay, let's use something like this neon effect. You can see there are some neon styles. If I click here, that effect will be okay. I have to select my graphic first, then if I click here, that effect will be applied to my graphic. But that is not looking very good for this one, but that's not a problem. We can simply use all of them. Just I will give you all the bundles here, you can use them. So this is just for like Illustrator. These are Illustrator graphic styles. So let me show you how to use them in Photoshop. So for using that in Photoshop, I am double clicking here. You can see my text is editable. So if I change my text, the style will remain the same, and we can apply this one anything. Like if I create a box here, a rectangle here, we can simply apply any effect on our any shape. It doesn't have to be a text. So okay, sorry for that. I wanted to copy this text here. So let's double click inside that, press Ctrl C to copy. Now paste. You can see this is my text, but it doesn't have any fill or a stroke. So let me fill it with black. So this is my text here. Let's bring that into my Illustrator, maybe on a new window, just like this. You can see, so now I am in Photoshop, and then I am going to apply this effect for Photoshop. So once I have anything in my layer, I can select that layer. Then if I click here, on any of this style, that style will be applied to your text. And this is really cool guys, this helps a lot. I really use this Photoshop styles many times in my design, but Illustrator styles I didn't use before, but you can use them. And thanks to Zakaria for giving me that bundle. So you can see this is how you can easily use anything, any style from this pack. So how to install them in your Photoshop? So first of all is you need to go to window and then go to styles. Once your style window is open like this, you may not find them because you don't have them all yet. So go to here on this button here, then click on this load styles. It will open up a window, then find this pack. I am going to give you this file and those Illustrator files. So I will suggest you keep them all in a folder, then go to that folder, select this style pack, then click on this load. It will be automatically loaded to your Photoshop. You can see I have already loaded them in my Photoshop. So then anything you want, like if you want to create a shape here just like this, then select the shape layer, then click on this styles, any of this style, it will be fill with that style. And that is really cool guys. And you can see the most important part here is this text is editable. So if you, okay, sorry for that, if we brought that from Illustrator, so that's why it is becomes a shape here. But if you just want to apply this one a text like this, I'm just typing anything here. Let's select that. You must make sure that that layer is selected, then click on these options. It will be, that still will be applied to your text. And you can see you can always edit your text like this. So this is really cool. And the hardest part is get them all together. You can find them on different resources, but getting them all together is a little bit hard. So I'm going to give you guys this style pack and the Illustrator style pack. So I hope this one will help you guys. Let's see how it works. And if for downloading them, you need to, I will give them in my Facebook group, not in my video description. So if you are someone who just search for anything and download from description, this is not going to work for you. You have to join my Facebook group for getting the download link. Okay guys, so thank you everyone. I hope this one will help you guys. See you in the next video. Thank you.